What's up, everyone? This is H2Hubb with H2Hubb, and we're here to do a spotlight video over a new recommended product of ours called H2Bev. This is a prepackaged molecular hydrogen infused beverage product, and we really want to spotlight it for two reasons. Number one is its dissolved hydrogen concentration. The product ranges from anywhere between 2 milligrams per liter to about 4 milligrams per liter, or 2 ppm to about 4 ppm. And that'll allow an individual to be able to consume within 2 cans over 1 milligram of hydrogen per day, which appears to be therapeutic based on the preclinical and clinical data right now. And then number two is the flavors of this product. They actually have several flavors ranging from the Hydro Shot, which is a lemon lime flavor, and then they have their CBD and molecular hydrogen infused beverages, which ranges from blue raspberry and fruit punch and lemon lime. And then they have their hydrogen infused teas, and this one is a unsweetened green tea, and they actually have an unsweetened black tea and a sweetened black tea, and they're all infused with molecular hydrogen. And so we really want to spotlight this product in particular for those two reasons, and then lastly, really for its Hydro Shot. Now this product we will go into more depth in another H2Hubb video coming up soon, but there's some interesting data regarding this product and COVID-19, and this product is appearing to be quite therapeutic based upon its preliminary data. And so we really just wanted to highlight this product, help you guys find it. And if you actually go through H2Hubb.com, you can actually get this product with a 10% discount. And so they're all available in cases, and their prices range from anywhere from $26 to about $42 per case. I think there's about 12 cans in a case. And so this is the spotlight video for H2Bev from H2Hubb, and we'll catch you next time at the H2Hubb.